If you walk through the heart of Istanbul, you quickly realize that this city is not only about busy streets and famous landmarks. Sometimes, all you need to do is slow down and look around, and you'll discover places that carry centuries of history within them. This is Nuruosmaniye Mosque, or Nuruosmaniye Camii, one of the beautiful historic landmarks located right next to Istanbul's Grand Bazaar. The mosque was built in the 18th century during the Ottoman Empire and is considered an important example of late Ottoman architecture, with clear influences from the Baroque style. One of the first things you notice is the impressive architecture and the incredible attention to detail. From its arches and columns to the elegant decorations and spacious courtyard, every part of the mosque has its own character. Its location next to the Grand Bazaar makes it an interesting part of everyday Istanbul. Within just a few steps, you can leave behind the noise and energy of the market and enter a much calmer and more historic atmosphere. The name Nuruosmaniye can be understood as Light of Osman, referring to Sultan Osman III, who ruled during the period when the mosque was built. And this is one of the things I love about Istanbul, the way the past and the present exist together so naturally. You can spend a few minutes here and then walk straight back into the busy streets of the city. But in those few minutes, you get a chance to experience a small piece of Istanbul's long and fascinating history. And just a little further on, we come to another historic mosque, Gazi Atik Ali Pasha Mosque. This is one of the older Ottoman mosques in the historic heart of Istanbul, located close to the historic Çemberlitaş area. Compared with Nuruosmaniye, its architecture may feel a little more simple and traditional, but that simplicity has its own beauty. It gives you a closer feeling of classical Ottoman architecture and the atmosphere of old Istanbul. And finally, we arrive at one of the oldest landmarks in this part of Istanbul, the Column of Constantine, known in Turkish as Çemberlitaş Sütunu. The column was erected during the Roman Empire under Constantine the Great and has stood here in the heart of the city for centuries. Just imagine how much history has passed around this column. Empires have changed, the city has transformed, and generations have come and gone, but this column is still standing here.